Customer wants to fix the hole that you see over there. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that when you have drywall. All right, as you can see, we're going to make a hole here. We are going to put it on the wall so that way we can keep the drywall on it. As you can see, the screw is a little bit flush. I mean, it's under the surface a little bit. So that way we can put some compound that will cover it. Now we're going to make a circle, put it there, and we should be good. We're going to make the circle over here, and we should be good. Now all you have to do is just cut it, and we're good. As you can see, as you can expect, it will not fit. It's just fine. So what I did, you have two options. One, you can cut here, make it a little bit bigger, or you can reduce this. So I put it just here. To me, it works better. I make it a little bit bigger, and that's it. See, it looks great. It's under the surface, the screw. Now we're going to put the compound and we should be good.